Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to turn off Apple Watch. If you want to turn off your Apple Watch, you could either use the side button or navigate to the settings. Now here is what you need to do is if you're using a side button, then you just need to press and hold the side button until a power off menu appears like this. And you simply want to slide the power off slider to turn off your Apple Watch. This is how it's done, the one way of doing it. Similarly, if you want to use settings, then tap the digital crown to open the app screen. Next, you want to tap the settings icon or the settings app icon. Then go to the general, then scroll down and tap shut down. What next you want to do is slide the power off slider to turn off your Apple Watch. And that is how you've actually done it. So this is how it actually works. And similarly, if you want to turn it on, you simply want to tap or hold on to the side button once again for at least 5 seconds, and that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.